You are in a store. You need a gift for a friend. A store assistant smiles and asks, "Can I help you?" You don't know what to say. After this video, you will. Today, you will follow two friends, Lori and Alex. Alex needs to buy a birthday gift for a friend. He has no idea what to get. You will hear real gift shop conversations from start to finish. But first, one question for you. Alex finds a gift he really likes. But there is a problem. What is it? Listen carefully and write your answer in the comments. Let's go! Okay, I think that's everything for today.
Finally, long day.
Lori, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
It's Jenny's birthday on Friday. I said I would buy her a gift.
Oh, that's nice. So, what are you going to get her?
I have no idea. I don't know what she likes.
Do you want me to come with you?
Really? That would help a lot.
Of course. I'm good at choosing gifts. Let's go to a gift shop near the office.
You know a place?
Yes, it's close. And they have a lot of good things. Come on.
Okay, there are so many things here.
Yes, but we'll find something good. Let's look around first.
Where do we even start?
We start with Jenny. Tell me about her.
Okay. She works in the marketing team. She's always friendly.
Good. What does she like?
I'm not sure. She always has coffee on her desk. And I think she likes plants.
Okay. So she likes quiet, simple things.
I think so. I want to get something useful, not just something that looks nice.
A gift can be useful and personal too.
Personal.
Yes, like you chose it just for her, not something you can give to everyone.
Oh, okay. So something useful and personal. Got it.
Exactly. And what's your budget?
Around $20.
Okay, that's enough. Let's look at what they have.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, please. We're looking for a birthday gift. Can you recommend something?
Of course. What's the occasion?
It's for a friend. Her birthday's on Friday.
I see. How much would you like to spend?
Around $20.
Okay, we have some nice gift sets. Soap, hand cream, things like that. They're very popular.
Oh, do you think she'd like something like that?
Maybe. She likes small things on her desk. I think she'd like it.
I think she'd like it too. Let's look at those.
Real conversations, slow and clear. If you want to learn English like this, subscribe for more stories.
They're right over here, and they all come wrapped. You don't need to do anything extra.
Oh, it comes with gift wrap?
Yes, all of our gift sets come wrapped. You can also add a card.
That's great. This one looks really nice.
It does. And it already feels personal, like you chose it just for her.
Yes, I think this suits her taste. Okay, how much is this one? Let me check the price tag. $32? That's too expensive for me.
Really? I think it's worth it. It looks really nice.
Lori, my budget's $20. 32 is too much.
But look at the quality. And it comes wrapped. You don't need to buy anything extra.
I understand, but I can't afford $32 right now.
It's $12 more than your budget.
$12 is a lot for me.
Alex, it's a gift. You want it to be good, right?
Of course, I want it to be good, but I want to stay in my budget too. Is there something cheaper? Something closer to $20?
Yes, of course. We have a smaller set over here. It's $18.
Oh, what do you think about this one?
It's smaller. And it smells a little different from the other one.
Do you think she'd like this one?
I think she'd like it. But I think she'd like the other one more.
The other one's really nice, but $32 isn't in my budget. She's always thinking about other people.
She really is.
So for her birthday, I want to get something really good.
Then go with the big one.
But the price tag?
The price tag's the only problem. The gift's perfect.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I think I can afford $32 this one time. It's a special occasion.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll go with the big one. I think this is the right gift for her.
Good choice. I think so too.
Okay, let's go and pay.
Don't forget a card.
Good idea. Let me grab one quickly.
So, gift, wrap, and card. You're ready.
I'm ready. That was harder than I thought.
It's always hard when you don't know the person well.
Yes, but I think she'll like it. It suits her taste, and it feels personal.
It does. You chose it for her. That's what makes a gift personal.
Next time I'll start earlier.
That's a good idea. Now let's go. I'm hungry.
That's the end of our story today. Lori and Alex went to a gift shop, and Alex found the perfect gift for Jenny. And now you know exactly what to say when you shop for a gift in English too. Watch this video again and try to say the phrases out loud. The more you say them, the easier they become. Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? Alex found a gift he really liked, but there was a problem. What was the problem? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read every comment and reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And subscribe to Talkory English for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Talk